solve log base 4 x plus 3 equals 2. So we know when we have a log, the base here, we could just take this, raise it to the power of this. So it'd be 4 to the power of 2, and that will equal this, will equal x plus 3. So 4 squared is 16, equals x plus 3. Take away 3 from both sides. So 16 minus 3 equals x. X equals 13. So here is a question involving logs, and they want you to solve for x. So the first thing we want to do here, move this negative log base 7x minus 4 to the right side and make it plus. So log base 7 x plus 2 plus log base 7 x minus 4 equals 1. Now we know when we have two logs that are added, we could write them as one log base 7 and multiply the x plus 2 and the x minus 4 equals 1. Now we could change all of this to exponential form because we know 7 raised to the power of 1 will give you all of this. So basically x plus 2 times x minus 4 gives me 7 to the power of 1. Now let's start foiling this. We're going to get x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals 7. Let's move the 7 to the other side, and I'm going to take it just here so we could finish it with a lot of space. Let's move the 7 to the other side and collect the like terms here. So we're going to get x squared minus 2x minus 8 minus 7 equals 0. Now that's x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Now this is x minus 5, x plus 3, and that's what this equation factors into. So therefore x equals 5 or negative 3. Now we know we cannot log 0 or a negative number. So if we sub in the negative 3 here or there, we're going to get a negative number. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. We cannot log a negative number. And therefore, this has to be rejected. The 5 here will give you 7. Here will give you 1. So that's doable. And the answer is x equals 5. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.